Hello there, you beautiful people. I am Bushra, and आज है 15th of Ramadan. I really hope कि this holy month आप लोग का भी अच्छा जा रहा हो. For me, it is the best Ramadan of my life. मैं इतना religious, इतना practicing और इतना devoted कभी नहीं रही हूँ. Never in my life. जितना मैं इस बार रही हूँ. I really hope Allah कबूल करे and make me a better version of me. A better version than before. And whatever new things or good things I have started, may Allah just keep me on that track so that I just, follow it throughout my life. Now, corporate life, along with, Ramadan is very, very difficult. Until and unless आप एकदम chill mode में हो कि कोई नहीं रमजान आ रहा है जा रहा है, तब उतना भारी नहीं पड़ेगा. But then when you have a family, you have responsibilities, so it's like very difficult. But then I think that is what I will be rewarded for, inshallah. The very first thing that I'll be doing is I'll be preparing my skin, my face, my hands. ये सारा चीज मैं प्रिपेयर करूंगी. अब इसके लिए आई एम गोइंग टू यूज माय न्यू सोप. दिस इज फ्रॉम कुवैत शॉप. ओके, दिस इज द न्यू सोप एंड आई हैव स्टार्टेड यूजिंग इट. इतना मैंने यूज किया है, इतना ज्यादा बाकी है. इसका स्मेल आज तक मैंने जितने भी सोप्स यूज किए, इसका स्मेल एकदम अलग है. एंड आई हैड टू वेट फॉर दिस बिकॉज ये इम्पोर्ट होकर आना, इट टुक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. It was out of stock and then everything. Okay, so this is the amazing soap mixture with natural herbs and it is licensed by the Ministry of Health. And it has got palm oil, coconut oil, castor oil, olive oil, vitamin E, vitamin C, glycerin, some cactus extract, kuch aur extract, then papaya extract, rosemary oil, then sidra powder, argan oil, sesame oil, grapeseed oil, and water. So बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा स्मेल करता. I have a lot of soap. I have black belly soap. I have Neela soap or Neela Sabunia. I have Akar Fasi soap, which I used in my previous video. And then I have this new one. I'm planning to buy one more soap. So collection ho gaya ab. So what I'll do is, I'm going to just, rotate. एक दिन ये alternate day कुछ और, alternate day कुछ और. I'm going to prepare it that way. तो अभी I'm going to wash my face with this. And ये black color का है. दिख रहा है ना? It is like black in color. If I apply it now, ऐसा ये black color का है. मुझे literally ऐसा feel होता है ना I'm going back in ages. But then a lot of people, even my colleagues in the office, they say that yeah, my skin complexion and all, everything has changed. And in sabka thank you to my Moroccan skincare. I'm thinking, I'll prepare a video for that as well. My entire Moroccan skincare, and especially my bath ritual. उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा time I spend and heavenly, heavenly. So I'm going to wash my face with this. So what you do is you apply this and then leave it for a couple of minutes. Okay. It says wet the face and the body with water. Then put an appropriate amount of soap applied and rub with the fingertips in circular motion until the foam is formed. अभी तो कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है? It is left for a short time on the skin, then rinsed off with water. After washing my face, I'm using a razor to remove some of my baby hairs, especially the one that I have on my forehead. I don't know, मेरे 8 sessions complete हो गए laser के, but I still have hairs on my face. Of course, less है, but then I still have it. I still have it on my hands. बहुत ही छोटे छोटे, but I do have it. Okay. I don't know, 7 sessions done and और कितने sessions लगेंगे to just get rid of it. But I know I cannot completely get rid of it. I will always need a maintenance session bi-yearly or yearly, something like that. But ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा easy है. Like you don't have hair on your body. मतलब बहुत ही अच्छा feel होता है. मुझे तो literally I'm such a lazy person. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I'm just removing the baby hairs. और ये मैं इसलिए कर रही हूँ so that I'm going to apply the Neela mask after this, and I really want the mask to set on my skin properly. I'm talking about my laser. तो face पे जब मैं लेज़र कराती हूँ ना, So I just focus on my forehead and my upper lips and my unibrow. And I exclude body में from neck to abdomen. Back में भी सिर्फ upper part of the back को I target. That's the चाहिए वाला part. Because we do have some hairs ना. तो I just focus there. इसके अलावा back part को I don't touch and then again the entire body. बहुत ज़्यादा लाइफ इजी हो जाती है. I'm done shaving my face as well. बहुत ही कम hairs थे but then I don't like them sitting there. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is कुछ करूँ नहीं करूँ, lip balm is super important. Because it's Ramadan and इतना ज़्यादा lips chapped, dry, कुछ नहीं कर सकते. But then उसका ही मैंने एक hack ढूंढा है that you apply glycerin mixed with water. तो एकदम soft हो जाता है. But I'm too lazy to do that. Abhi, what I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare a mask for me. So for that, I'm going to take some curd. I have taken ये वाले spoon से 2 spoons of curd and it is kind of thick. Thick इसलिए so that it stays on my face. And then I'm going to use the Neela powder. So this is the Neela powder. I'm adding it and mixing it. तो बहुत सारे लोग वाटर में मिक्स करके लगाते हैं बट व्हेन यू मिक्स इट विद वाटर वो स्किन पे ना एक ब्लू स्टेन इट लीव्स सो द बेस्ट थिंग इज दैट यू add it with curd. You will find that difference or it is not going to leave a blue stain. And also curd की वजह से ना थोड़ा buttery soft moisturized type लगेगा. And a lot of people don't mix नीला properly. बहुत कम नीला use करते हैं and they feel कि it will do the job. It won't. बहुत ज़्यादा भी नहीं करना, बहुत कम भी नहीं करना है. It should be dark, a little bit lesser than my dress. I have mixed it properly. You can use a brush or a spoon or even your fingers. I will be using my fingers, ठीक है? क्योंकि मुझे अपने hands पर भी लगाना है. Okay, so I'll show you. Once you mix it, I'm going to get this color. Okay, so anyone who asks me कि if you want to start your Moroccan skincare routine, I will always suggest you can start with Black Belty soaps with Kessa gloves, and ये सबसे main है. Okay, and then you can also use this Neela powder. ये दोनों बहुत अच्छा है. I have been using this routine since September 2025. I'm going to apply it all over my face and then leave it for 10-15 minutes before washing it off. And washing it off का भी एक process है. You just cannot wash it off like this. ठीक है? You have to use a wet cloth, remove it with wet cloth or cotton or wipes. Okay. उसके बाद you have to wash your face. Those following me on Insta must have seen me putting this infinite number of times. And never forget your ears. They're cute little creatures. This is how I look and I follow this routine एकदम religiously. अब हुआ ये मेरे hands. After face, I'm applying it here on my hands. I don't know why, but पहले what happened? My face was brighter than my hands. Yep. ठीक है? Usually the opposite happens, right? But मेरे साथ कुछ और ही था. And अब everything has changed. My hands are fairer than my face. अब मुझे अच्छा लगने लग गया है. I have long fingers, तो बड़ा cute लगता है. You can just flex it. I have applied it on my hands. अभी के लिए like I'm going to the office now, तो मैं बस इतना ही parts पे कर रही हूँ. But normally what I'll do is I'll apply on my knuckles, my elbows, my knees. ठीक है, इन सब पर. And हमाम का एक step है that you apply the Neela all over your body. Okay, so you even do that. I haven't done that. Instead I apply the Neela soap all over my body. Okay, I've applied it and now I'm going to wait for it to dry. You can see it's drying, right? You can see these have all dried up. ठीक है, थोड़े बहुत बचे हैं ऊपर अभी. And they'll be drying more. Hands ka, it is all dried. Have a look. Sorry, dried है. जब तक ये फेस का ये ड्राई हो रहा है, in the meantime I'm just going to wipe it off. So I have my towel which is wet, और उस wet towel से I'm just going to wipe it off. Okay, so you can see the blue stains. I don't know, इससे तो compare भी नहीं कर सकती मैं, because it's all blue. How can I compare? But it looks very clean as you can see in the video. I'll show you कि अगर आप उसको कर्ड के साथ यूज करते हो ना, not even a single stain. Instead, बहुत ही clear, pale ऐसा color आता है. And the best part is the one that I'm using, like that is directly sourced from Morocco. So it's like 100% original. And I've been using it since September, so no side effects, nothing. अभी के लिए I'm wiping it, but then इसके बाद I will wash it as well. Now you see there's no stain. कहीं से आपको लग नहीं रहा कि मैंने नीला लगाया था अभी. Right. It looks that beautiful. My towel has become all blue. It's finally time for me to wipe my face. And look at my skin. Mashallah. Okay, so no pigmentation, no nothing. But then my towel. But my skin looks so clear. I'm going to wash it off now and apply the regular moisturizer. And that's it.